Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 8, Measurement and Accountability, Cloud Performance Indicators. Introduction. In the realm of cloud computing, measuring performance and ensuring accountability are critical for maintaining optimal operations and meeting service-level agreements, SLAs. Cloud Performance Indicators, CPIs, are essential metrics that provide insight into the efficiency, reliability, and scalability of cloud services. This module will cover key performance indicators, KPIs, specific to cloud environments, how to measure them, and their role in accountability. Key Cloud Performance Indicators, CPIs. 1. Availability. Definition: the proportion of time a cloud service is operational and accessible. Measurement, typically expressed as a percentage, e.g., 99.99% uptime. Tools. Monitoring tools like AWS Cloud Watch, Azure Monitor, Google Cloud Operations Suite. 2. Latency. Definition: the time it takes for a data packet to travel from one point to another in a network. Measurement, measured in milliseconds, ms. Tools. Network performance tools such as ping, traceroute, and third-party services like ThousandEyes. 3. Throughput. Definition: the amount of data successfully transmitted over a network in a given time period. Measurement, measured in megabits per second, Mbps, or gigabits per second, Gbps. Tools. Network monitoring tools like iPerf, NetFlow analyzers. 4. Scalability. Definition: the ability of the cloud system to handle increased load by adding resources. Measurement, assessed through testing under varying loads and measuring response times. Tools. Load testing tools like Apache Jumper, LoadRunner, and cloud provider-specific tools. 5. Elasticity. Definition: the ability to dynamically allocate and delocate resources as needed. Measurement, evaluated based on the time taken to scale resources up or down in response to demand. Tools. Cloud provider dashboards and auto-scaling metrics. 6. Fault tolerance. Definition: the capability of a system to continue functioning even when part of it fails. Measurement, measured by the system's ability to maintain operations during failures. Tools. Chaos engineering tools like Chaos Monkey, fault injection simulators. 7. Cost efficiency. Definition: the cost-effectiveness of cloud resource utilization. Measurement, calculated by comparing the cost of cloud resources to the workload demands. Tools. Cost management tools like AWS Cost Explorer, Azure Cost Management, Google Cloud Pricing Calculator. Accountability and cloud performance. 1. Service level agreements, SLAs. Purpose: define the expected performance and availability standards for cloud services. Components include metrics like uptime, response time, and support response. Enforcement: penalties or credits applied if SLAs are not met. 2. Monitoring and reporting. Continuous monitoring, essential for real-time tracking of CPIs. Reporting: regular reports provide transparency and help in identifying performance trends. Tools. Comprehensive dashboards provided by cloud providers, third-party monitoring services. 3. Performance audits. Regular audits, periodic reviews to ensure compliance with SLAs and internal policies. Audit tools, automated audit tools and manual reviews. 4. Incident management. Incident response plan, structured approach to handle performance issues or outages. Root cause analysis, RCA, detailed investigation of incidents to prevent recurrence. Tools. Incident management tools like PagerDuty, Opsgenie.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.